Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Ford Limousine Concept is more than just a car. It's a rolling declaration of sophistication. Crafted for those who demand presence, power, and peerless comfort, this limousine represents Ford's vision of luxury redefined. Exterior design. From its extended silhouette to its sculpted LED lighting, every inch of the 2025 Ford Limousine Concept exudes refinement. The front grille, with its bold chrome detailing, sets the stage for an imposing presence. The elongated profile, marked by aerodynamic contours and sleek lines, ensures seamless movement through urban landscapes. The rear, adorned with futuristic taillights and a minimalist bumper, completes the masterpiece. Pros and cons. Striking, futuristic aesthetics, large size may challenge maneuverability. Interior and dashboard. Step inside, and a world of luxury unfolds. Ambient lighting bathes the cabin, while plush leather seats offer first-class comfort. The dashboard integrates a panoramic digital display, blending AI-driven controls with real-time driving data. Rear passengers enjoy reclining seats, personalized climate zones, and an advanced entertainment suite. Cutting-edge infotainment, limited cargo space. Performance and driving experience. Powered by an advanced hybrid system, the Ford Limousine Concept delivers effortless acceleration. The adaptive suspension ensures a cloud-like ride, while AI-assisted driving aids enhance safety and convenience. Maximum speed, 220 km/h. Ultra-smooth drive, not built for high-speed thrills. Target buyers and competitors. Designed for executives, luxury travelers, and VIP transport, its main rivals include the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class and Rolls-Royce Phantom. Final thoughts. The 2025 Ford Limousine Concept is a symbol of prestige, blending grandeur with innovation. Ideal for those who seek elegance, it stands as Ford's answer to ultimate luxury travel.